Greetings everyone, myself Drumi Charva from Mumbai. I have joined the Cohort 2 of ISOMT and I have attended their 6 days hands-on training program in the month of September in Mumbai. The content of the program was well organized and it was focused on the practical situations. Both Dr. PK and Dr. TJ, sir, both are fantastic teachers and added a ton of value and made it enjoyable. ISOMT has introduced manual therapy within the profession of physical therapy for the management of neuromusculoskeletal conditions based on the clinical reasoning using highly specific treatment approaches, including the manual techniques and therapeutic exercises. I feel more confident now to deal with the patient's problems. Thank you once again for your wisdom, experience and personable presentation.